Okay, good morning, my dear students. Now today's topic is limit of a function. Okay. Now here, so any function is given. What is the limit value of the function? Suppose the limit value of the function. Let us say this is L. When x tends to a, 1 or 2 or whatever value of a is the real number. Okay. So limit x tends to a, f of x equal to L. If these two are satisfied, for every epsilon greater than 0, there exists delta greater than 0. This delta depends upon the epsilon. If these two are satisfied, then the limit value this is L. Okay. Now, for example, prove the limit x tends to 1, 2x plus 1 equal to 3 by using epsilon and delta method. This is a epsilon and delta method. That means about the limit of find the limit by using epsilon and delta method. Okay. Now, if you compare this with this one, here f of x equal to how much? Limit x tends to f of x. Now here f of x equal to 2x plus 1. Okay. Now L equal to 3 and x tends to a. X tends to a means here a equal to or we can write a equal to x tends to 1. Okay. Now, therefore, now f of x minus L. Okay. Mod of this one equal to what is f of x? 2x plus 1. What is the L? L equal to 3 minus 3. Okay. Equal to 2x minus 2. Now take out common 2 x minus 1. Okay. Now, so 0 is less than mod of x minus 1 is less than delta. This part equal to 2 delta or less than or equal to 2 delta because this one. 0 is less than mod of x minus a. Here a equal to 1. Okay, or this particular equal to epsilon if delta equal to epsilon by 2. So this delta depends upon the epsilon. This delta depends upon the epsilon. So here, f of x minus L mod of this one is less than epsilon. This is satisfied by using this one. Therefore, limit x tends to 1, f of x 2x plus 1 equal to 3. Now prove. Okay, by using epsilon delta method, by using this one and this one, if these two are satisfied, then the limit value of x tends to f of x equal to L. This is a one example. Another example is prove that limit x tends to 4 root x equal to 2. Yes, when x equal to 4, root of 4 equal to 2, obviously. Okay, but by using prove that this root of the limit x tends to 4 root x equal to by using epsilon and delta. That means by using epsilon delta means use this one and this one. If these two are satisfied, therefore this one. Okay. Now here f of x equal to how much? Root x. L equal to 2 and a tends to a equal to 4 or a equal to 4. X tends to a equal to 4. Okay. Now therefore mod of f of x minus L. What is f of x? root x minus L 2. Okay, now if you rationalize this one, root x minus 2 into root x plus 2 divided by root x plus 2. Okay, so what is that? A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So x minus 4 divided by root over x plus 2. Okay, now next one is when next one is 4. So therefore root over x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 2. So root x is always positive. Okay. Whatever value of x, when x equals 0 limit value, it becomes 2. So always greater than 2. Then what is the root over 1 by root over x plus 2 is less than equal to 1 by 2. Therefore mod of f of x minus L equal root of x minus 2 is less than equal to mod of x minus 4 by 2. 1 by here 1 by root x plus 2. 1 by root over x plus 2 is less than 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Or this part is less than equal to delta by 2 because 0 is less than mod of x minus 4 is less than delta. This one x 0 is less than mod of x minus a. Here a equal how much? 4. Mod of x minus 4 less than delta. This part equal to epsilon if delta equal to 2 epsilon. Therefore, limit x tends to 4 root x equal to 4. Okay? By using epsilon, these two are satisfied. Yes, f of x minus L, or you can write here mod of f of x minus L is less than epsilon, and this one satisfied. If both are satisfied, then the limit value is L. So the limit value is 4. Okay. Now this is a very important formula for the limit. To find the limit of the different function. Okay, already you know that first year. So where now let us say when x tends to 0 positive 1 by x equal to infinite. We know that. This one, when x is minus infinity, minus infinite. When x tends to infinite, 1 by x, 1 by infinite, where it goes to 0, so limit it becomes 0. Now this is a formula. Limit x tends to a, x over n minus a over n by x minus a equal to this one. Now by use this formula, for example, evaluate the limit x tends to 1, x over 7 minus 1 by x minus 1. Okay, evaluate the limit. Okay, now here use this formula. Here use this one. Limit x tends to a. Here a equal to 1, x over 7 minus 1, or you can write 1 power 7 equal to 1. Now if you compare this with this one, for real number a, x is must be greater than 0. This part equal to n. Here n equal to 1, 7 into 1 to the power 7 minus 1 equal to 7. So the limit value of this is 7. This is a one example. Now another example is, suppose we put a limit x tends to 2 x cube minus 8 by x minus 2. Okay, now this part equal to limit x tends to 2 x cube minus 2 cube. Okay, divided by x minus 2. Now use this one, this formula. Okay, now here a equal to 2. Okay, and equal to 3. So 3 into 8 power 2 to power n minus 1. So 3 into 2 row square. So 4 into 3 equal to 12. So limit value of this equal to 12. Okay, now come to 50. formula. Limit x tends to infinite, 1 plus 1 by x power x equal to a. Okay, now for example, evaluate the limit x tends to infinite, 1 plus 1 by 2x power x. Suppose this is given. Okay, now what is the limit equal to this one? Find out. Now this part equal to limit x tends to infinite, convert to standard form, convert to this one, then we use the formula. Okay, so 1 plus 1 by 2x, so 2x by 1 by 2. Now convert to here 1 by x power 1 plus 1 by x power whole x. Here 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2x power 2x. Okay, so when x tends to infinite, 2x also tends to infinite. What is the limit value of this one? Is e. Okay, so e power 1 by 2 or root e. Okay, now similarly sixth one same thing when x tends to 0. Okay, now seventh one, here log limit x tends to 0, log base a 1 plus x by x equal to 1 by log ea, or limit x tends to 0, 1 by x ln of 1 plus x by equal to 1. Same thing. Okay, here base e, so the e contain ln base e log e equal to 1. Okay, now here let convert to this one, this form, either this or this one, same thing. Okay, now here let x minus 1 equal to y. Okay, because here x now ln of 1 plus x by x is given. Now x minus 1 is given. Now convert to y, or x equal to 1 plus y. Okay, when x tends to 1, the limit x tends to 1, what is the y? Then y tends to 0. Therefore this value equal to limit y tends to 0 log base e to what is the x? 1 plus y minus 1 by y. X, what is the value of x? X equal to 1 plus y. 2 into 1 plus y minus 1. Or this part equal to limit y tends to 0, 1 by y base e 2y or 1 plus 2y. 1 plus 2y. Okay, because 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 into y, 2y. Okay, now convert to standard form. Now here x, here 2y, now multiplying and dividing by 2. Limit y tends to 0, 1 by 2y log base e 1 plus 2y into 2. Now convert to standard form. This one, either this one or this one. Okay, the log base e is given. Here a e equal to 1. So what is the limit value of this? Is 1. So 1 into 2. So answer is 2. This one. Okay. Now so 7, 8, 9, same thing. Here x tends to infinite. When x tends to infinite, if you convert 1 by x equal to y, when x tends to infinite, then this is a 0, y tends to 0. Now you convert to this one. Okay. Now 7, 8, 9, same thing. Now 10th one. For example, limit x tends to 0, 3 to the power x minus 2 to the power x by 4 to the power x minus 3 to the power x. Let us say here 8 to the power x minus 1. Convert to standard form, then use the formula. Okay. Now here limit x tends to 0, convert to standard form, 3 to the power x minus 1 minus 2 to the power x plus 1. Now add 1, subtract 1 and add 1 divided by 4 to the power x minus 1 minus 3 to the power x plus 1. Now here minus 1 plus 1 it becomes 0, 3 to the power x minus 2 to the power x, same thing. Or this part equal to limit x tends to 0, 3 to the power x minus 1. Now take a comma minus 2 to the power x minus 1. Now divided by 4 to the power x minus 1 minus take a comma 3 to the power x minus 1. Okay. Now dividing both sides by x, limit x tends to 0, 3 to the power x minus 1 by x, 2 to the power x minus 1 by x, 4 to the power x minus 1 by x, 3 to the power x minus 1 by x. Okay, so what is the limit value of this one? 8 to the power x minus 1 by x. Here a equal to 3. So this part equal to ln 3. Okay, here a equal to 3. Ln 3. Here ln 2 by ln 4 minus ln 3, or this part equal to ln of 3 by 2 divided by ln of 4 by 3. So what is the value of this one? Ln 3 by 2 into ln 4 by 3. How much? Equal to, another formula is log AB equal to log EA by log EP. This is the formula. Now log EB log EA, log A to power B, or this particular log, what is that? A base A, sorry, this is a log EB by log E. Okay. Now what is the here A to this one, 4 by 3 to power 3 by 2. Okay, this is a 1 by, or write this one or this one. Now second method is, if another method is limit x tends to 0. Okay, now point is in there. Okay, now limit x tends to 0, e to the power 3x minus e to the power 2x by e to the power 4x minus e to the power 2x. Okay, then this part equal to limit x tends to 0, e to the power 3x minus 1 minus e to the power 2x plus 1. Now same procedure, e to the power 4x minus 1 minus e to the power 2x plus 1. ठीक है? Sorry, e to the power 3x. Yes. Okay. Now this part equal to limit x tends to 0, e to the power 3x minus 1 minus take a comma 2x minus 1, or you can write e to the power 4x minus 1 minus e to the power 3x minus 1. Okay. So what is the limit value of this one? Now you could divide both sides by x. Limit x tends to 0, e to the power 3x minus 1 by x, e to the power 2x minus 1 by x divided by e to the power 4x minus 1 by x minus e to the power 3x minus 1 by x. Okay, so what is the limit value of this one? X tends to 0, e to the power x minus 1 by x equal to 1. Okay, now here given e to the power 3x. So limit x tends to 0, e to the power 3x minus 1 by 3x into 3, multiply by 3 and divided by 3. Then second one, multiply by 2 and divided by 2, e to the power 2x minus 1 by 2x. Second one, now multiply by 4 and divided by 4. Limit x tends to 0, e to the power 4x minus 1 by 4. Second one, divided by 3 and multiply by 3, e to the power 3x minus 1 by 3x. So what is the limit value of this one? Is 1. Here also 1. 1 into 3 minus 2 into 1. 4 into 1 minus 3 into 1. So 1 by 1 equal to 1. This is a 1 by. Okay. Now second method is here. Second method is now the limit x tends to 0, e to power 3x minus e to power 2x by e to power 4x minus e to power 2x 3x. Now take out common here, e to power 2x take out common, here e to power x minus 1, here take out common e to power 3x, e to power x minus 1. Now this cancel out. Limit x tends to 0, e to power 2x by e to power 3x equal to e to power 0 by e to power 0 equal to 1. Okay. Now this is the second method, is easiest. Okay. Here third one, 12th one is limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta equal to 1. Now convert to standard form, then use the formula. Okay. Now for example, limit x tends to 0, sin 3x by sin 5x. This is one example. And another example is limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x by x square. Let us say. Okay. Now here this one, limit x tends to 0, sin 3x by x, sin 5x by x, 3 multiply करो, 3 डिवाइड करो, 5 पे multiply करो, 5 पे डिवाइड करो. Convert to standard form. Limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta. Here 3x by 3x. Theta by theta. Here 5x by 5x. So limit 3x tends to 0. When x tends to 0, 3x also tends to 0. Sin 3x by 3x into 3. Limit 5x tends to 0, sin 5x by 5x into 5. What is the limit value of this? Use this formula equal to 1, 1 into 3, 1 into 5 equal to 3 by 5. Okay. Now second one is, now limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x by x square. Okay. Now here there are two methods. One is now multiplying and dividing by 1 plus cos x. Okay. Divided by x square into 1 plus cos x. What is the value of a minus b into a plus b? A square minus b square. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos square x by x square into 1 by 1 plus cos x. So what is the value of 1 minus cos square x? Equal to sin square x. Okay. So limit x tends to 0, sin square x by x square into 1 by 1 plus cos x, or you can write limit x tends to 0, sin x by x whole square into limit x tends to 0, 1 by 1 plus cos x. What is the value of this one? Is 1. 1 by cos 0 equal to 1, 1 plus 1, 1 by 2. This is the one formula. Now one method for solving by rationalizing, multiplying, dividing by. Now second method is, so what is the value of, we know that first here, so 1 minus cos 2a, what is the formula? 2 sin square a, yes or no? 1 plus cos 2a, 2 cos square a. Okay, or equal to theta. So 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. Now use this formula here. Okay. Therefore, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x, 2 sin square x by 2 divided by x square. Okay. Now convert to standard form. Limit x tends to 0, 2 sin x by 2 whole square into how much? 1 by 4. Multiply by 2 and divided by 2 is a whole square. So multiply by 4 and divide by 4. So what is the limit value of this one? 2 into, or next step, right? Limit x tends to 0, sin x by 2 whole square into 1 by 2. What is the limit value of this one? Is 1. 1 into 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. Either I do this way or this way. Okay. Now another two example about the limit. Okay. Now here given limit x tends to pi by 2 1 minus sin x by this one. Okay. Now convert to standard form. Okay. Now here let pi by 2 minus x equal to y. Let us say. Okay. Then what is the value of x? X equal to pi by 2 minus y. Okay. Now when x tends to pi by 2, then y tends to 0. Therefore, limit value of this one, limit y tends to 0, 1 minus sin of, what is the value of x? Pi by 2 minus y by y square. Because pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2 minus x equal to y, y square. What is the value of sin 90 minus theta? Is cos theta. Okay. So limit y tends to 0, 1 minus cos y by y square. Just previous example. Okay, related to previous example. Okay. Now here second one. Limit x tends to 0, 2 sin x. What is the value of sin 2x? 2 sin x into cos x. We know that sin 2a equal to 2 sin a into cos a. Okay. Divided by x cube. So 2 take out common. 2 limit x tends to 0. Also take out common sin x take out common. 1 minus cos x by x cube. Or we can write 2 into limit x tends to 0 sin x by x, limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos x by x square. Now this is equal to, by using the formula, equal to 1, and this one is same thing, this one equal to, also example 7th one. What is the value of this one? Equal to 1 by 2. Is it no? 1 by 2. Okay, so this particular one. So finally we get this is a 1. Okay, now example is find the value of a. So what is the value of a? The limit value of this one equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now we know that limit theta tends to 0, tan theta by theta equal to 1. This is a 15th example. Okay, formula. 13, I think 13 is example formula. Okay, now use this one. Now limit x tends to let x minus alpha equal to y. Convert to standard form theta. Here x minus alpha equal to, or you can say theta. Let us say theta. Good. Okay. When x tends to alpha, then theta tends to 0. Okay. Therefore, limit x tends to alpha, tan of a into x minus alpha by x minus alpha equal to given 1 by 2. Limit x tends to alpha, so theta tends to 0. Convert to theta. Theta tends to 0. Tan of a theta by theta equal to 1 by 2. Now this is the formula. Limit theta tends to 0. Tan theta by theta. Here a theta is given. Now multiplying by a and dividing by a. So this value equal to 1. 1 into a equal to 1 by 2. Implies a equal to 1 by 2. So what is the value of a? Now a equal to 1 by 2. So the first one is proved. First one is over. Now second one. Now limit, let x minus 1 equal to y. When x tends to 1, then y tends to 0. Therefore, the limit value of this one equal to limit x tends to 1, 5 take out common, 5 to the power x minus 1 minus 1 by x minus 1 into log e a equal to 5 is given. Now use this one, x minus 1 equal to y. implies limit y tends to 0. Okay, when x tends to 1, y tends to 0. 5 into 5 power y minus 1 by x minus 1 equal to y 1 by log e a equal to 5. Or 5 cancel out, implies limit y tends to 0, 5 power y minus 1 by y log e a. So what is the value of this one? Just now I think 4 or 51. Limit x tends to 0, 8 power x minus 1 by x equal to what is the value of log e a. Now here a equal to 5. Log e 5 equal to log e a implies a equal to 5. So answer. What is the value of a in b find out? Okay. Now next class we have discussed about the continuous of the function and continuity of a function, different types of function. Okay.